What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys. This channel is all about making money. Okay, all things making money online. Okay, affiliate marketing, crypto, direct mail marketing, okay, how to invest, where you can invest, different platforms, okay, or companies, etc. So that's what we do here, and you can check out my channel for other opportunities that I'm a part of. All right, so we're back, guys. Today we're going to talk about DWP, do another quick review on them, because guess what? The clock is ticking on this opportunity far as the promotion that they've got going on for the free upgrade. Okay, this is digital marketing. This is digital products. That's what you're purchasing. You're able to resell, okay, the system, the products, and earn a commission. Okay, that's what this is all about. The link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. All right, so on this page you'll see 3 different videos. I like this system because it explains it very well. But what we want to talk about, we're going to go over, we're going to look at the products real quick. They've got 3 product levels right now. Okay, $200 product level, that's $297. A $400 product, that's $497. A $800 product, that's $997. So they've got 3 levels right now. Okay, and the promo is, if you go ahead and get started at level 3, which is the platinum level, that's $997. This is a one-time investment, no monthly fees, no pass-ups, no one-ups. You're paid directly, okay, any way you want to get paid. If you get in at level 3 right now, by October 15th, they're going to bump you up to the new level that they're introducing on October 16th at no cost. What's the new level? That new level is going to pay you $1,500 commissions. Okay, right now we're earning off the 3 levels, $200 commissions, $400 and $800. But soon, October 16th, the new level 4 is going to be presented, and it's going to be $1,997 at that time. But you can get it now before the 16th. So the 15th is the last day to get that free bump up. Okay, and let me tell you, it is amazing. Okay, it's going to be amazing because right now we're getting the $200, $400, and $800 commissions. So just imagine in one day the possibility of you earning $1,500. Okay, just imagine what that can do for you. A lot of folks work 80 hours, 2 weeks pay to get $1,500, or some people a whole month. So imagine the possibility of you getting that. Not to mention, if you're positioned, okay, and then one of your folks that signed up with you, if they get someone to sign up at that level, you'll get the difference. So for an example, if someone comes in and they purchases that $200 product, that's $297, and they get someone to purchase that higher level product, they're only going to get $200. You're going to get the rest of it. Okay, it's just going to land right in your lap. Okay, if you're positioned. So this is something to go check out. This is affiliate marketing, okay, which means you got to take action. You got to promote the product, get them over to your capture page. That's your job. And then they have a closing call center that's going to answer all the questions for you. That's going to take all the calls and close the sale. They handle the whole sales process, and they send people to you to pay you directly. Okay, they're going to send the person your information on how you want to get paid, and you get paid for that. So you don't have to deal with answering questions and closing sales and that type of thing. So it's a great company, a great product that they have going on, this whole system. Okay, guys? So it's something you definitely want to get plugged into, okay, if possible. All right, and I've also have some more results where I had a new person that signed up on Friday. Fridays are awesome. I love those days because we have other programs. That's the good thing about having multiple programs that you're a part of that you can promote, okay? Because you never know who's going to sign up where. So you have commissions coming from different directions, okay, if you line this stuff up correctly. I'm here for you, here to guide you and put you in the right direction, okay? So definitely reach out to me if you want to get started. You've got to call this number first, though, and call the 800 number, give them my ID. Once you get started with me, I'll have a conversation with you. We'll talk about your marketing plan, what your goals are, and direct you where you need to go and share with you my resources that I have. Now, when you call this number, make sure to leave your name, your full name, your phone number, and my ID, and let them know you're ready to get started when you leave that message. Now, when they call you back, it's going to probably be from an 888 number, so please be mindful of that. Okay, 800 number or 888 number. Otherwise, if you miss the call, you guys are going to be playing phone tag. Okay, and they're pretty busy because of this promotion. So, but they are going to call you back because this person that joined yesterday, she said, the gentleman said, you're my last call for the evening before I'm off. And that was like almost at 8 o'clock at night, guys. So these folks are working. They are standing by to get your calls. So call them, get started. Look forward to working with you guys. All right, so let's go and look at the products, and then I'm going to show you the proof payment that I received yesterday. All right, hang on. Now here's the countdown in the Digital Wealth Pros dashboard. When you log in, guys, you're going to see this. Okay, so the clock is ticking. Okay, 6 days is saying right here. So you definitely want to jump on this. All right, if you can. Now let's go take a look at these products real quick. Let me move this out the way. What do we have for us products? Okay, we have the bronze level. That's $297 one time. No monthly fees here. So you'll earn $200 commissions when you sell that product. The gold level, $497 one time. You make $400 commissions. And when you join the gold level, you automatically get the bronze level. Okay, platinum, that's the cream of the crop right now until the 16th. $800 commissions. It's $997 one time. You make $800 when you sell this product. But when you buy this product, the platinum, you automatically get the gold and the bronze. You're all in. You're all in. And look at all the products you get here. Now, as of the 16th, we're going to have a new level and more products where we can make the $1,500 commissions. Okay, guys? So position yourself accordingly. All right? Don't let this slip through your fingers. If you can help it, I will go for it. All right, now let's take a look at the new commission that has come in for me. Thank you so much, Miss Janet. I spoke to her last evening. We had a great conversation, and she's already ready to go. But let me show you an email she sent to me, because I stand by what I say. When I say I'm going to assist you guys and I'm here after you sign up, that's what I do. We keep it transparent. So she sent me a nice little text message, and I covered information up for privacy protection. So let's take a look. Okay, I covered up her number for privacy. She says, good morning, Miss Pandora. I put my photo up and ordered my first leads. Thank you for all you do. Appreciate much. And it says, you're welcome. Keep me posted. Okay. Now, what she meant by put her picture up is what she did is in the system that I'm using, which you'll see the link is in the description. You're able to put your photo in this system so people can see your photo at the bottom down here. That's what she's talking about, okay? So I helped her and guided her with getting started. That's the other thing. After you get started, make your payment. I receive my payment. We have a conversation, and I help you get on board with everything as far as your back office, how to set up your payment option and all that. I'm here to assist you with that. So without further ado, let's check out this payment proof. Let's first start off with how does this process work? Okay, she actually made the call to the call center. This is how it's done. The call center notified me, hey, we're talking to your lead. You see, this is October 7th. Okay, then the next thing you know, I received another email from the call center, Digital Wealth Pros. Someone has a new team member. Right there, when I received that, I knew a payment is on the way. That's the next thing. Okay, so Digital Wealth Pros is going to notify you guys when they're talking to one of your leads or your prospects. That's how you're going to know, well, hey, does this thing really work? Are they really doing what they say they're going to do? Absolutely. Never had a problem with them doing that. This is something new they added. Okay, this was not here initially a couple months back, but they started this and I like it. Okay, so we get that, and then next, guess what? Boom, a payment comes through. So let's check that out. Okay, again, for privacy protection, I've covered up the person's information, but you can see right here, Friday, October the 7th, after 8 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock at night. The call center is closing sales, guys. They're waiting for your folks to call them so they can close them for you. And you see right here, she sent this Cash App, and she said $200 for DWP. Okay, she specified that. Okay, so the system works if you work the system. I can help you and show you how to do that. All right, guys, so if you're interested in making these $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and soon to be $1,500 commissions on autopilot, where the call center is going to close all your sales, you definitely want to check this out. The link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. For everybody that gets started at level 3, that's you spending $9.97, level 3, I will pay for your first advertisement. Okay, so don't lose out, don't miss out, don't leave any money on the table. Free upgrade right now. It ends October 15th, so you've got what, 6 days, 7 days, 6 days, I would say. Get in where you fit in. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look forward to working with you in DWP. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.